Okay, negative 2y equals 4x minus 6. First step, do I multiply or divide? Well, it's an integer. It's not a fraction, so I divide. What do I divide by? Negative 2. Hopefully you didn't say 2. When you divide by a negative, all of your signs change, okay? So anything that's negative will now be positive, and anything that's positive will now be negative, okay? So these are gone, and we're left with just our y. This was positive, so now it's going to be negative. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Don't forget the x. This was negative, so now it's going to be positive. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's it. That's our expression. Label the table. This is x. This is y. Expression in the middle. Pick our x values. Same ones. 0, 1, and 2. Plug them in. Negative 2, parentheses, plus 3. What are we plugging in first? A 0. 0 times anything is 0. And 0 plus 3 is 3. What's our first ordered pair? When x is 0, y is 3. Next, negative 2, parentheses, plus 3. This time we're plugging in a 1. Negative 2 times 1 is a negative 2. And negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Second order pair, when x is 1, y is also 1. Last time, negative 2, parentheses, plus 3. Plug it in a 2. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4. Negative 4 plus 3, negative 1. Last ordered pair, when x is 2, y is negative 1. Graph it out. See if your line is correct. 0 and 3. Start at the origin. Don't move for x. 3 up. 1, 1. Start at the origin. 1 to the right, 1 up. Last one, 2, negative 1. 2 to the right, down 1. Connect it. Your line is long and has arrows. Is this positive or negative sloping? It's going down and to the right. That makes it a negative slope. Last one, practice problem 4. Oops, there we go. Okay, so, we have a fraction. So when it's a fraction, do we multiply or divide? We multiply, right? What do I multiply? The fraction is 1/2. I flip that 1/2 over, and I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So there's my first multiplication. And now I'm going to multiply this by 2. And now I'm going to multiply the 3 by 2. Okay? So instead of dividing, we multiplied. These are gone. Y equals 2 times 2 is 4. Don't forget the x. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. Circle the expression. Label your table. X, y, 4x minus 6. Pick your x values. We're all picking the same ones again. 0, 1, 2. When we get better, you can pick whatever x values you want, but this is just to make sure our numbers are the same. Let's plug these in. So 4 parentheses minus 6. What do we plug in for x? 0. 0 times anything is 0. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. First ordered pair, I didn't give myself enough room really, is when x is 0, y is negative 6. Next, 4 parentheses minus 6. This time we're plugging in a 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Second ordered pair, when x is 1, y is negative 2. Last one, 4 parentheses minus 6. Plugging in a 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Last order pair, when x is 2, y is 2. Graph it. 0, negative 6, right here. 1, negative 2, right here. And 2, positive 2, right here. Connect your points. Draw your arrows. Ask yourself, is this positive or negative sloping? Positive. It's going up. and to the right. That is it. That is all. Time for your exit ticket.